everyone, hope you are fine and you are doing well. Today I am going to teach science of class 2nd and today's topic is water. Water means पानी, आपको पता ही है. This water is our basic necessity of life. Necessity, basic need for all living organisms. Whether it may be plants, animals, human beings, insects, reptiles, all living organisms need water. Just like air and food is essential, so water is also essential for us. And this water has different uses. We use this water for different purposes. It is used for drinking, cleaning, bathing, washing, cooking, watering plants. Just like drinking, clean, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, watering plants. Cleaning means पीने के लिए यूज़ होता है, cleaning सफाई के लिए, bathing नहाने के लिए, and cooking मीन्स पकाने के लिए. कोई भी फूड आपको कुक करना हो तो उसमें हम वाटर यूज़ करते हैं. वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स कपड़े धोने के लिए, एंड वाटरिंग प्लांट्स को वाटर देने के लिए. बिकॉज प्लांट्स आल्सो नीड वाटर, बिकॉज प्लांट्स आर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लिविंग थिंग्स which also uses water. Okay, and this water comes from different sources. Source means where we obtain this water, where we get water. This is called source. The source of water is river and rain. This rain is the main source of water. Rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, streams, oceans, glaciers. These are all sources of water. These are those sources from where we get water. Okay. We get this water by digging wells and tube wells also. Because this rainwater goes below the ground, and this water is obtained by digging wells and tube wells. Also, hand pumps are also used for this purpose. Dams and canals are built to use river water also. Okay, and this water is used for drinking, but drinking water should be safe. Should be safe means this should be free from germs and impurities. Okay, the rivers, lakes, oceans, the water in these sources are not always clean. So then people make this water dirty by throwing waste, washing clothes, and by bathing. So the water which is used for drinking should be boiled, which makes it fit for drinking. Boiling kills the germs. Boiling means ubalna. This boiling kills the germs in the water. We can also make water safe by filtering it. By filtering the water, which makes it free from germs. Okay. And this water should be saved because water is very precious for us. It should not waste. The ways by which we can save water are: first is turn off the tap when you are not using it. Means हमें नल बंद करना चाहिए जब हम पानी यूज़ करते हैं, और हमें पानी उतना ही यूज़ करना चाहिए जितना हमें बाथिंग के लिए यूज़ करना होता है। और हमें उसके लिए बकेट या कोई वेसल रखना चाहिए जिसमें हम इसको कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, फिर हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। देन टैप्स दैट ड्रिप शुड बी रिपेयर्ड, मीन्स अगर कोई नल, कोई पाइप लीक हो गई होगी तो उसको पहले रिपेयर करना चाहिए, देन इट हैज़ बीन यूज्ड। और एक स्टेप जिससे हम वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं, सेव मीन्स जिसको हम कंजर्व कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम बचा सकते हैं, वो क्या है? कलेक्ट रेन वाटर इन अ बकेट। हमें रेन वाटर को कलेक्ट करना चाहिए, जमा करना चाहिए एक बर्तन में, एक बकेट में, बाल्टी में। फिर हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, किस लिए? क्लीनिंग के लिए भी, वॉशिंग के लिए और वाटरिंग प्लांट्स के लिए। Okay, then comes the another topic, that is the forms of water. Forms of water means different forms, different states of water, and the forms of water are three. There are three states of matter. There are three forms of water, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid means which have definite shape. The water की solid shape आती है, that is the ice. Ice is the solid form of water. And then comes liquid, which is in the form of water. And then comes third form of water, that is the gas, which is the water vapor. It is a gaseous form. And these states of matter can be converted into into another forms by the process of heating or by cooling. Means conversion of one form of water to another form is due to cooling or heating. That is the evaporation or condensation. So evaporation means when the water changes into water vapor by the process of evaporation, with the help of heating. And this liquid changes into solid by the process of condensation with the help of cooling, freezing. Okay, that are the forms of water. So it means this water has three states, is comes into three states, that is the solid, liquid and gas. Then comes last topic, that is the water cycle. Water cycle means the continuous movement of water. The cycling movement of water in nature is called water cycle. The water in the rivers gets heated, gets evaporated by the process of evaporation, and this water vapor changes into clouds by the process of condensation or cooling, and then changes into rain, which comes down into the rivers or oceans in the form of water, again falls down in the rivers. Thank you.